In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your 11 Labs account. It's pretty straightforward and it doesn't take long, so this is going to be a quick video. So what you want to do is click on your name and click on this that says subscription. Now, once you get on this page, we're going to scroll down a little bit. As you see, I'm active, so I'm not going to completely delete my account because I still use it and I still need it. I think this is the best AI voice generator out there. But as you can see, there's different options here. To cancel this, all you have to do is cancel subscription. If you wanted to downgrade, you can also do that to about $1 a month or downgrade to the $0. I'm not sure why the button for me is not working, but like I said, I need mine. So you're going to hit cancel subscription and it says, do you really want to cancel your subscription at the next billing interval? And you're just going to hit confirm. And once you hit confirm, your account will be canceled.